Hi guys, this is Chef Jackie Angpo. Welcome to Monte Kitchenomics University.
Ang guide mo sa basic kitchen skills so you can become a better home cook.
For this lesson, we'll talk about chicken and fish. Mabuting alamin ang iba't ibang parts, cuts at luto nito. To learn how to tell if they're fresh, watch our lesson 1 on food freshness. Now let's start with chicken. Binibili ang whole chicken when you want to prepare it roasted or fried. Ang quarter chicken available in breast or leg parts, commonly known as pecho and paa. You can fry, grill, or roast these. Meron ring mas maliliit na cuts. Chicken breasts are usually sliced thinly and placed in sandwiches or pasta. Ang wings ay madalas piniprito. You can have these breaded and glazed with your favorite sauce. Ang chicken thighs ay ang pinakamalasang part kaya niluluto ito in many different ways. Drumsticks, on the other hand, are usually roasted, fried, and included in stews. May boneless or fillet cut rin, usually done to the chicken breast and thigh. Ginagamit ang fillet cuts para sa stewed, baked, grilled, at fried dishes. Ang chicken giblets ay ang innards. Giblets add flavor to dishes, kaya madalas tong ginagamit sa gravy and stuffing. Pwede rin ito pang appetizer. Fish naman. Pag bumibili ng whole fish, ipalinis ito at ipatanggal ang scales. The most common ways of cooking a whole fish is grilling or frying. You can also steam or bake it. Ang fillet naman ay convenient lutuin dahil wala na tong tinik. Pwede itong lutuin with pasta and vegetables. May steak cut rin ng fish. This is when the fish is cut perpendicular to the spine. Pwede itong may bones at pwede din boneless. Usually, malalaking fish ito tulad ng salmon, tuna, marlin, or tanige. Butterfly cut is when both sides of the fish are still joined together with the bones removed. Usually ang fish kailangan i-butterfly kapag maglalagay ka ng stuffing. Now that you know the different cuts of chicken and fish, are you excited to start your culinary adventure? Keep this lesson in mind and you're on your way to becoming a better cook.
See you again sa ibang lessons namin dito sa Monte Kitchenomics University.
Monte Kitchenomics.